In 70-degree weather, it takes only minutes for the inside of your car to heat up like an oven. At 104 degrees, heat stroke begins, followed by loss of consciousness. Every year, almost 40 children die of heat stroke after being forgotten in a vehicle.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. From the previous video, we can see that just a single mistake can take an innocent life. This thing often happens in our society.
Causes of these deaths are children playing in an unattended vehicle and accidentally lock themselves. Second, parents usually forget their children, and the last one is parents knowingly leaving a child alone in a parked car. In this figure, it shows the atmosphere and the windows of a car are relatively transparent to the sun's shockwave radiation. However, this shockwave energy does hit objects that it strikes. These objects hit the adjacent air by conduction and convection and also give off long-wave radiation. In just 10 minutes, a car can heat up 20 degrees Fahrenheit.
In our project SAS-V Smart Admonition System vehicle, we are emphasizing on several important aspects which are society, health and safety. SAS-V will be a useful product for society because everyone can attach or install it in their vehicle. This product not only can be installed in car, it can be fixed in lorry and buses too. This is because sometimes the school bus drivers careless and left their children in bus, and they never check for the bus before they lock. Not only that, this product will be beneficial for parents who are having newly born baby or children. Children and their lovely pets mostly died in hot vehicle due to heat stroke. From the aspect of health and safety, by introducing SAS-V product to society, it can prevent the death which caused from the heat stroke.
To solve this issue, our team just came up with an idea to make a system where it can detect the living presence inside the vehicle using temperature and also movement. This proposed system requires a temperature and also a movement sensor for it to work. So both of these sensors will work together to detect the living presence inside a vehicle. Thus, we name this system as a Smart Admonition System vehicle, also known as SAS-V. Due to COVID-19, some of the components that we ordered didn't even make it here, so some of them are still stuck in the post office. So, to counter this problem, our team changed from hardware to software, where we can run the simulation under Proteus 8.
The system is programmed to detect three kinds of temperature range, which are animals, like snakes, that have a temperature below 36 degrees Celsius. Between temperature of 36 to 37.5 degrees Celsius would be an infant body temperature. And lastly, temperature of a domestic animal known as pet, which is between 38 to 39 degrees Celsius.
Conceptual design for the coupler type, we are using two detection sensors, which is temperature and motion detector, to detect the presence of baby or animal in the car, while the alarm warning and fan is automatically triggered when there is temperature or motion detected. Where the block diagram shows the components being used in this project.
The system worked along with a PIR sensor to detect movement inside the vehicle. Based on the program, when both sensors detect the presence of an infant or pet in the vehicle, the system will automatically turn on the fan, which acts as a cooling system, and an alarm will be triggered to alert anyone nearby.
The system starts when the door is locked. At this moment, two types of sensors are working together, which are temperature and PIR motion sensor. The use of temperature detection is to detect the presence of life form through the body temperature, where there are three level indicators will be detected, such as animal, baby, and pet body temperature. The information regarding the life form will be displayed on the LCD display. This will trigger trigger the system to turn on the cooling system installed in the car. On the other hand, PIR motion sensor will detect the movement in the car. The car emergency alarm system will be turned on to notify the people surrounding that there is someone present in the car. The fan and alarm can only be turned off when there is no presence of life form detected or the door is unlocked. This is our schematic diagram where we are using Proteus 8 Professional as software simulation. Three switches that are represent the door and reset button, whereas switch 1 represent the lock door, switch 2 represent the unlock door, and switch 3 represent the reset button to restart the system. Let's run the simulation. When door is locked, green LED will turn on and two sensors are automatically detecting the life form and display the information on the LCD display, while the sensors will stop working when the door is unlocked or reset button is pushed. For the locked door, temperature sensor will detect 3-level body temperature of life form, where below 36 degrees Celsius which shows the presence of animal, and fan is turned off. Cooling fan will only trigger and automatically turn on when we increase the temperature to 36 degrees Celsius and above. 36 to 37 degrees Celsius shows the presence of baby, while 38 degrees Celsius and above shows the presence of pets such as cat and the dog. When the temperature is decreased to 35, fan will slowly turn off. For the PIR motion sensor will detect the movement inside the car, where logic state will indicate the movement in everywhere. 0 will shows no motion detected on the LCD, and red LED is turned off and no sound produced. While for the logic state 1 display motion detected, red LED will turn on and trigger an alarm to attract attention.
Now, what are you looking at here is a replica made up from cardboard of an interior of a sedan car. Okay, as you guys can see, this is the front view, which is also the same as the back view. This is the side view, which is also the same as this side. But what we want to focus here is not the outside of the car, but inside of the car, where the system will be implemented. Let's see. Alright, the place where our team agreed to implement the system is right here, which is on the top of the car, inside the interior of the car, which is on this part. Why? It is because from this area we can scan the whole area inside the car to detect any presence of living organism.
We take an initiative to create this product, and one of our team members had a visit to Toyota company to discuss our ideas with them. We proposed to have a collaboration with them to create this product. This is our overall costing of our project if it been implemented as a hardware.
On designing our project, we are able to understand the importance of working as a part of a group.
When the time and resources are minimal, a good teamwork is the key to success.
Nothing is impossible in this world if we are able to think creatively and differently. Before the COVID-19 pandemic happened, we used low-cost material to design our project. We hope you like our SAS-V product, where it is useful product to be installed in our car, for our children, and pet safety. Think as a parent, our children, safety is our priority. Thank you.